this is Miss Dominique and I'm going to teach you origami. Today we are going to learn the pigeon. We will upload these book instructions to the Google Classroom, but for right now I'm going to say it verbally. First I have a piece of paper and I have to make this piece of paper into a square. I don't have scissors in front of me, otherwise you could use scissors, but I'm going to fold it and that way I'm going to make a square. So first I take a corner and I fold it over the other corner, making sure that that angle has a point, and then I measure up and then I flatten that way. So it looks like this. From here, I put it down and I take the tail, the extra part, and with this part, you would cut it if you had scissors, but again, I'm gonna fold. So I turn it around and I bring it back all the way up until I can't anymore. And then I press down like this, two different parts. And then I'm going to do this again on this side. I'm going to flatten it with my nails. And then flip it over again to flatten with my nails one more time. From here, I'm going to put it back down and I'm going to slowly rip it. And I'm going to put the extra piece to the side. So from here, you have a triangle, but if you open it up, you have a square. So for the pigeon, you're going to close it back up to the triangle. You already have it folded, so that's good. From here, you have to take the point and have it facing your belly button. From here, you want to fold over this triangle by about an inch. Not too much, just enough right here. And I'll show you in just a minute. Can you see that? You can see I have a little bit of left room for extra space, but I have this about an inch wide. Okay, so from here, I'm gonna put my origami back down, and my next step is to open the flap. So this is the flap. You have two. You wanna keep this one down, but this one, you do wanna open up a little bit. So I'm going to open it up a little bit. I changed my positioning because the flap was on the wrong direction, but I am pointing the origami with the flaps on top pointing away from me. So you're going to take the top flap, just the top only, you're going to keep the second one down, and you're going to fold it about halfway of the same length that you just folded. And I'll show you in just a minute. Okay, so if you can see, this was the 1 inch flap and this is the new flap that I just made, okay? So from here, both this end and this end have to touch. So what you're going to do is you're gonna put your origami down and you're gonna take this and kind of make sure that they touch like this. You can see that? And then I am going to flatten here. Now, if you have a piece of folding paper or construction paper or printing paper, all of those papers are different sizes. And so you're going to get different shapes of origami. I'm using printer paper right here, okay? So from here, you have to figure out the directions of the wings. And if the slant is going down this way, pointing down, that means you want to fold your fold this way, going that way, to make it look like it's flying. So I'm going to fold it at that direction just now, and you can see it in the origami instructions, the direction that they want you to put it. Folding it one way, and then I'm going to put that flat on the opposite side, and I'm going to do this the side that didn't have the wing yet. and I'm gonna do my best to keep it flat. So now I have 2 wings, and my last step is to make a face. So what I'm gonna do is, this side right here is the face, and I'm going to take part of its beak and fold it over twice. Once, one way, bring that back up, and along that same crease, you want to fold it the opposite way. Then you're gonna bring it back up, and then you're gonna take your thumb, put it in right between where the crease is. You're gonna push it with your index finger down and let it take its shape gradually. And now we are done with our pigeons. You can see that I have 2 other pigeons here. Altogether I have 3. This was the first one I made, which is kind of bigger, not as sharp as I'd like it to be. This one's a little bit better. I kind of rushed with this one. But this one, I took my time for you, and this is what it looks like. So if your origami doesn't look like mine, it's okay. I took mine and I practiced a lot before I showed you. Origami does take some practice, so if you're able to do it once, keep on trying and let's see how well you can do. Thank you.